Hey, everyone. Quick question. How well do you know your own emotions? Let's find out why knowing your feelings is your secret superpower. Emotions affect everything, how we think, learn, and treat others. When you know how you're feeling, you can make smarter choices. The mood meter helps you figure out where you are right now. It's like a map for your feelings, high or low energy, pleasant or unpleasant. Let's practice. Think, do you feel energized or tired? Happy or upset? Plot yourself on the mood meter now. Where are you today? When you know more feeling words, you can describe your emotions better. Instead of just mad, maybe you're frustrated or annoyed. That's real emotional power. Checking in with yourself every day builds your self-awareness. You'll start to see patterns, like why Mondays feel different from Fridays. Feelings change throughout the day, and that's totally normal. You can move around the mood meter just like you move through your day. When you recognize how you're feeling, you can choose how to act. If you're nervous, you might take a deep breath before a big presentation. Challenge yourself to learn one new feeling word every week. More words equals more power to describe and manage your emotions. Knowing your emotions helps you be your best self, at school, at home, everywhere. Remember, emotions matter, and you have the power to understand them.